Welcome to the University of Wisconsin-Eau Claire. Today we will be going over the university's data usage and storage through looking at our help desk, distance education, software support, extensis, and classroom technology.
Here we are at the help desk. The help desk is the front door to LTS, where service is their main priority. The help desk serves as a triage for problems that come up at events that affect faculty, staff, and students.
These events include things like sign-in problems, software bugs, hardware failures, and instructions on how to do something.
The help desk supports campuses by interacting via phone calls, email messages, and personal interactions. The questions and issues seeking help are recorded in a software system and identifies urgency of the problem.
Problems are often resolved with first contact, but sometimes have to be referred to another resource more familiar.
The problems and questions reported stay open until satisfactorily resolved.
The help desk is special in the way that it's staffed entirely by students and led by one full-time staff member.
This student-run operation offers significant experiences to students while going to school. This group of students operates all aspects of the help desk and offers superior customer service, driving LTS in their quest to attain a mark of excellence for their services to this campus.
Distance education spaces, sometimes referred to as interactive television or ITV spaces, allow people in the room to engage virtually real-time with another remote site or multiple sites. Depending upon the type of room, it could be one person, or in the case of UWEC, a room with 72, which is currently our largest room.
The way that a room is outfitted with technology can vary. Distance education classrooms typically have dedicated equipment in the room that is designed to offer the best experience for the people in the room and, more important, the remote participants. This is accomplished by each person having a microphone near them to use for audio quality. In many of our rooms, the student-facing cameras have the capability to automatically track where that person is and when they unmute their microphone to talk. This can be important in a large room of 72, so the person is easily visible to the remote participants. In the heart of the room is usually a dedicated video conferencing codec. Codec is a term for a device that encodes and decodes the video call that's being sent over the internet. However, they typically don't interface with some of the other types of PC-based video conferencing software tools people are accustomed to using on their personal devices.
To try and simplify the use of these rooms, room control systems are installed that try and take most of the guessing work out of it.
Here at UWEC, we use bridging services called Blue Jeans. Bridging allows multiple connections to come together in a single call. The other benefits for Blue Jeans for UWC is that it handles the interoperability issues and allows people to join using their browser or an app on their PC or mobile device. People on phones can come in audio only, and we have up to 100 different types of those connections all mixed together. There's a lot to learn when it comes to distance education. Good thing LTS will train anyone on how to use these rooms, which includes sharing with them the best practices they should follow when creating content to be shared in a video call. LTS provides support for pretty much any type of video conference, classes, or otherwise. If anyone is interested in learning more about these spaces or hold a video conference of their own, they can always call the LTS Help Desk.
Campus utilizes an LTS Help Support Higher Education Enterprise System, also known as Enterprise Resource Planning Software. EPRs used on campus include student information systems such as CampS, Shared Financial Systems, SF, or Human Resource Systems.
Another major tool used on campus is the data warehouse. The CampS system supports complex functions like registration and financial aid. Human Resource System supports complex functions like payroll and benefits. The data warehouse is a key tool for displaying information derived from data via ad hoc and standard reporting.
Campus also has more than 160 curricular and administrative third-party systems. The software systems perform functions like room scheduling, managing parking, and electronic forms.
In addition, there are applications that are custom developed to manage activities such as field experience and education training. There are 3 primary databases supported on campus. They include Oracle, SQL, and MySQL. All of these systems have to be managed administratively for security and other functions like authentication.
Today, campus has a mixed environment of how these applications are served. Some applications are hosted on our own infrastructure. In this situation, LTS manages the hardware and the network. Other applications are hosted in the cloud. At UWC, private and public clouds are employed. The photography department is a subunit of LTS Learning Technology Services at UWC. A campus of our size has numerous image needs, ranging from slideshow art to classroom instructions to social media and print marketing.
Currently, our photography department has a staff of 2 full-time employees and 5 student interns. They are responsible for creation, editing, and storage of many of the images you will see around campus. A typical day for the photography department may include creating marketing images during a class, shooting portraits in our photo studio, and capturing images at a blue gold sporting event, or consulting with faculty and staff on digital asset management, helping them make their data better.
Aside from the marketing needs of the campus, the photography department is also tasked with creating a visual history of the university.
The largest and arguably most important aspect of the LTS photo is the asset management system. The photography department creates tens of thousands of digital assets or photos a year. Currently, our online photo gallery houses 136,000 images and is continually growing.
Without software and a plan, our photography staff and users would never be able to find anything. Since 2006, the department has used a product called Portfolio by Extensis.
All faculty and staff have access to our images using their UWEC credentials at photo.uwec.edu. Students who have a need for photos are welcome to use Extensis by requesting permission. The catalog allows users to search images by keyword, description, name, date, and many of metadata fields. Once you've found your image, users can download a 2,000 pixel version for social media or for web pages.
Active learning stations provide students and professors with a unique learning experience. Group collaboration is facilitated by shared screens and wireless laptop connections at each pod station.
The professor has control of the room's technology features, allowing accurate student examples to be projected to the entire classroom for viewing. Room View software allows LTS to access classroom technology from a remote location. Devices such as iPads contain the Fusion program page. From this program, we can solve simple problems and get a general understanding of the current status of the room.
This is helpful for turning systems on or off remotely, as well as checking to see if a system is disconnected. The system also allows the user to see if a projector lamp is close to its useful life.